Hello traders. The title of the video is Practical Elliott Wave Count Tips and Tricks. StarBucks stock. Let's get started. I'm on the monthly chart and I've counted my waves. So this is the first Elliott wave. All right. Second Elliott wave. All right. Now we have the third Elliott wave and the fourth Elliott wave. Oh, now, this is the fifth Elliott wave. So at the end of the fifth Elliott wave, we put a question mark on it right there. All right. Okay. So because the fifth wave can be extended. All right. So we put a question mark on it. All right. So if the price continues to go up, we will adjust accordingly. All right. So that's my wave count. Okay. Now, what we need to do now, because you can see here, I placed on my chart undo your pitchfork tool, connecting the first and the third and the first and the second wave. So first wave, this point, second wave, this point, okay, and the beginning right here, somewhere 2000. Can move it down all the way here, but I prefer to put it here. All right, allow me to draw my pitchfork tool on the chart, and then we use the width of the pitchfork tool, projecting it in the direction of the price. So we projecting the pitchfork tool in the direction of the price, so bringing us here. That's the first one here. And then we keep doing it. Okay, one more time here. Bringing us here. And look at that. Look at that. Look at how we stop on the edge of, okay, our third projection. Right? First projection, second projection, third projection of the width of our pitchfork tool. All right. Now it brings us to the third projection. That's where our fifth wave has stopped now. Is it going to continue? We will see. So what we need to do now, we need to put a vertical, horizontal line there. Priority to bullish signal above 9705. Prior to bear signal below. You can see that people start selling it down here, which is good. All right, it's good decision. Stop on the edge of that moving everything. All right. Next thing that we need to do, you need to apply another pitchfork tool connecting the second wave. Okay, at the end of the second wave to the high of the third wave, because we need 3 points to draw the Andrew pitchfork tool. For traders that are very new, go to www.dayprotrader.com to master the Andrew pitchfork tool. Now, here we are. We're going to change the color of that pitchfork tool and make it black to differentiate it from the first one that sits straight down. All right. So the reason why we are doing that is this will allow us to pinpoint trading setup, and then we implement a different time frame trading method to trade it like a pro. That's what we want to do. All right. All right. Apart from the width of the pitchfork tool, what I see to trade it, one can also use the height of the second wave. So from the top of the second wave to the low of the second wave, then we project it on top of the first wave like this, and then we start drawing horizontal line. That's the first one I draw there. This is to set other price targets. Okay, so I'm going to color them into uh, red, right? Red. That's the first line there. That's another one. Keep projecting the height of the second wave. That's what I'm doing now. And then one more time, I project it. So we are doing two different things. First time we projected the width of the pitchfork tool. Now we are projecting the height of the second wave in the direction of the price. This is we are mapping out the chart. That's what we are doing. We are just mapping out the chart. And this one brought us here. Nice one. Nice one. You get it now? Very simple. Now our job is finished now. And as an Elliott with trader, we must now flow with the price, meaning that we are looking for trading setup on the edge. Like here, this was a good trade here. See here, that long candlestick bar followed by that short candlestick bar at the target price level. That's a bearish trading setup right there. Those two candlestick bar there. The long one, very strong bullish. Now bullish momentum has diminished in the second one when it's closed with a shadow of those two candlestick bar. If you understand candlestick pattern, that's a bearish trading setup on the edge of a price target, on the edge of okay the projection of our pitchfork tool. Now, after this candlestick bar is closed, people implemented a different time frame trading method to sell it. All right, you see now. All right. Now, one more thing. So this is how you're going to trade and make excellent decisions. Right, because you have done your Elliott wave count. Now I'm drawing what we call a common sense trend line along the fifth wave. A trend line that we draw very close. That's what I'm doing now. That's the blue line there. As it drop down. All right. So this is about practical Elliott wave count tips and tricks. Starbuck stock. The epic for Starbuck is SBUX. Sierra Bravo Uniform S range. All right. So this is it. Elliott wave analysis, tips, trading tips and tips for Starbuck stock. I'm on the monthly chart. I need to remind trader that I have done my homework. Okay, talking about Elliott wave validation. Right on the yearly chart, I'll see now. You can see it's a third wave, fourth wave. This candlestick bar on the yearly chart is not yet closed. That's why we had to put a question mark on that fifth wave, which can be still extended. When we counted 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 on one time frame, we need to think again about the bigger cycle. All right, the bigger cycle. If this is the fifth wave, if that is the end, I'm using if now. Did I say if? Yes, I did. If that's the end of the fifth wave, we'll call this one now. I want to put a question mark on it also. Hold on, please. This will be okay. Our first wave of a higher degree. Again, with a question mark on it because there's a question mark on this fifth wave. Okay, so the correlation, if so, we are trading first the S&P 500. Before one should sell. I recorded a video at the George Trio YouTube channel when I showed trader how to sell or short stock like a pro. All right, so go to your Trio channel and check out. Though it's a series of video, I think it's a 3 or 4 video when I show traders how to short stock like a pro. Otherwise, you're going to do all kind of things, and you have to use a different time frame trading method. If you have any questions, suggestion, or blah 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 blah, all right, put it in the comment section in due course, and we'll be recording another video to answer your specific question. If the video has been useful to you, please let us know by giving us your beautiful thumbs up. All right. If you dislike it, be sure to mark it down. Don't go away. Log into your account and mark it down. All right. That will make you feel really, really good. All right. However, if you think this is an essential tutorial, feel free to share with your friend on the social media. So this will conclude our discussion today about the practical Elliott wave count tips and tricks. Starbuck stock, SBUX stock. Happy trading to you. Or subscribe to 24 Elliott Wave YouTube channel and be sure to click on the notification bell. Thank you for watching.